Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your money from Binance to QIWI Wallet. So this will be step-by-step tutorial, and before we start, don't forget to click the like buttons. Okay, first of all, log into your Binance account, and once you will log in, then you need to transfer your money to the funding wallet. So most likely you have got your crypto on the fiat and spot account, and you need to transfer your crypto to the funding balance, guys. So go to the fiat and spot account, click the transfer button on the top, and on the top you need to select fiat and spot, and on the bottom you need to select funding, guys. Then you need to select the cryptocurrency you're going to sell, for example USDT, and you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to withdraw to the QIWI wallet. So for example 100 USDT, and then click the confirm button. So once you will move your balance to the funding wallet, then you can go to the trade on the top menu and go to the P2P trading, and right here you need to select sell. You need to select the currency. There are a lot of currency, but most likely you want USD. You need to select payment method. So here you need to search for QIWI, which is right here. And you can see there are some exchangers who are exchanging the crypto to the QIWI balance, guys. And you need to find some good exchangers with high positive feedback percentage. For example, this guy has got more than almost 100% positive feedbacks, and it has got more than 200 orders, guys. So you can choose this guy. You need to select, you need to click sell USDT. This guy is online. He is providing fast transfers. First of all, you need to set the payment methods. You need to click this button, set my payment method, and you need to click this plus icon across QIWI, and you need to enter your QIWI account right here. Then click the confirm button. Once you will do it, then you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to sell. For example 100 USDT, and for 100 USDT you will receive 100 USD on your balance, guys. But before you will exchange, you need to look at the limits. This guy has got some limits. Minimum is $1,000, guys. So you need to find the exchanger which has got some low limits. For example, this guy has got $20 minimum exchange rate, guys. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this short video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.